In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to accept cryptocurrency payments on Shopify. And don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward technique. To begin, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the appropriately titled Settings section. From here, proceed to click on the option labeled Payments. This is where your adventure in integrating crypto payments starts. Now, where do you go next? Look for an area labeled Additional Payment Methods. This section is key in expanding your Shopify business to accept cryptocurrencies. Put your cursor over it and hit click on the Add Payment Methods button. Now, this isn't where the story ends, it's only just beginning. Now that you're in the zone to add more payment methods, you want to look for cryptocurrencies, the digital gold mines of the future. There's an area labeled Search by Payment Method. Here, you'll need to tap into the search bar. Search for cryptocurrency and voila, you're on your way to embracing digital currency on your store. Once you initiate the search, the system will then retrieve a list of available digital currency payment providers for you. The available list will provide you with various options toward accepting cryptocurrency. You can choose what fits your requirements best. For more refined results, you have the option to choose a specific coin, such as Bitcoin, or you can even search by provider names, such as BitPay or even Crypto.com. Feel free to take a moment to assess your options. Once you've made an informed choice, select your preferred cryptocurrency provider. All right, so what's the next step? It's time to set up the payment gateway. Clicking on your preferred provider will reveal all the necessary steps you need to follow to set everything up perfectly. Often, the process of setting up your crypto gateway will require you to create an account with your chosen provider. If you already have an account, that's just one less step for you. Once that's done, it's time to integrate your new account with your Shopify store. For the integration part, most providers will need you to use an API key or follow a series of steps specific to their platform. Take, for instance, if you've opted to go with Crypto.com Pay, you'll need to run the system in test mode. This step comes before you can start accepting live transactions with cryptocurrencies. This ensures that everything is working as it should, and the electronic cash transactions will glide perfectly. So, there you have it. That's all the important information you need to know and all the steps required to start accepting cryptocurrency payments on your Shopify store. Now go forth and start processing digital cash and enjoy your journey into digital currency.